Everyone, Loaded Forex here. Today I'm going to show you one of the best way you can draw a perfect trend line to catch high probability setups in the market. If you are new to this channel, please kindly like and subscribe so that YouTube can notify you when next I upload useful video content. Let's go, guys.
Trendline is one of the most vital tools most professional traders use to catch high probability setups in the market. Once you are able to understand the power behind Trendline, it will be more easier for you to take good setups in the market. How do you draw your trend line? You draw your trend line by connecting your trend line from one peak to the other, or from one trough to the other. Now you can see clearly from this place, this is a trough here. This is another trough here. By connecting your trend line from this trough here to the second trough, make it a valid trend line. Now, how do you draw it? You connect it from here, from this trough to the second trough to make it a valid trend line. And the rules of trend line: on the top touch, most professional traders expect good or high probability setups on the third touch of the trend line. There is 70% assurance in most cases that price might obey the trend line on the third touch. Now we have first touch here, second touch around this place. Then on the third touch, if price come back to touch this trend line on the third touch, there is probability that price might respect the trend line on the third touch for the continuation of the bullish movement. As you can see clearly, you can see that the market is bullish. We can have a bullish structure by having higher high, higher low, then higher high. Now we're expecting a higher low on the third touch of this trend line for the continuation of the bullish movement. Now, once you are able to identify a valid trend on your daily time frame as a price action day trader, the next thing you go to your 4 hours time frame. As you can see, the price is approaching the trend line. We're expecting for a third touch on this trend line for the continuation of the bullish movement. Let's play the candle and see what market has to offer. And don't forget the rules. The rule says no signal, no entry. That you analyze the market and you've already marked your point of interest. That doesn't mean that if price come to the zone where you are expecting a setup, that doesn't mean you are going to take any trade. If price come to your zone, your point of interest, and you are unable to see any price action, and price is unable to talk to you, don't force the market. Shut down your system and wait for the following day. If price come to touch this trend line on the third touch and we're able to find signal on our entry time frame, we have to let the market move in its own way. Don't force the market. Let's go to our 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame is our entry time frame. You can see the price formation on the entry time frame. Now, if you look at the 5-minute time frame, if you draw your counter trend line from this trough to this place, you can see clearly that the price has already broken this counter trend line, which gives us a clear confirmation that the buyers are about to take charge of the market. And if you look at the price action on the 5-minute time frame, we have hammer, indecision candle, black mariposa, inverted hammer, and a series of 3 white soldiers, which signify the presence of buyers in the market on this third touch. You can see this place is serving as a resistance. This zone here is serving as a resistance. What we should be expecting around this zone is to wait for price to break this resistance before taking any position in the market. Now let's play the candle. Now the price has broken this resistance. Now there is our entry time frame. Now we are risking 30 pips to make about 100 pips. This place is going to be our final take profit in the market. Now let's play the candle. Now you can see that the market is moving. You can see that the market is moving now. The price is going up. The price is going up. Come back to our entry time frame. Boom. Now price has reached our take profit. You can see that the principle and the power of trend line is as simple as anything once you understand the strategy and how to utilize it in the market. Remember, the rule says no signal, no entry. If you're able to learn 1 or 2 things from this video, Please don't forget to like and subscribe so that YouTube can notify you when I upload useful video content. Thank you guys.